Students, so we were studying the first form of business organization, which was your sole proprietorship. আজি আমি sole proprietorship advantages আৰু disadvantages পঢ়িম. Advantages or আমি merits বুলিও ক'ব পাৰি দেই. So একেখিনি কথা কনফিউজ নহ'বা, ইট মিনছ ছেইম. তাৰমানে sole proprietorshipৰ পজিটিভ ভাল ভাল গুণ কি কি আছে, sole proprietorshipৰ বেনিফিটছ ক'ব পাৰি, মেৰিটছ এডভান্টেজেছ কি কি হ'ব পাৰে, এটা এটাকৈ পইণ্ট ৱাইজ আমি চাই যাম ইয়াত. ইয়াত চোৱা, প্ৰথম মেৰিট কি দিছে, প্ৰথম মেৰিট দিছে কুইক ডিচিজন মেকিং. তাৰ মানে কৈছে তুমি sole proprietor হ'লে তুমি যদি কিবা ডিচিজন ল'ব লগা হয়, ইউ ডোণ্ট নিড মাছ টাইম, বিকজ তুমি বেলেগৰ পৰা পাৰ্মিশ্যন ল'ব নালাগে. ইট ইজ ইয়ৰ অ'ন বিজনেছ. তুমি যদি ভাবিছা ডেট ইউ ৱান্ট টু ইনক্ৰিজ দ্য চেল or you want to spend money on a particular product, you want to bring order more and more of that product, then you can easily do it. তোমাৰ মতে তুমি কৰিবা কোনটো প্ৰডাক্টৰ কিমান কোৱান্টিটি অৰ্ডাৰ দিবা, who will be your employee. You don't have to discuss with anybody, you can take this decision very quickly. So সেইকাৰণে কৈছে যেতিয়া তোমাৰ মনত হ'ব যে ঠিক আছে এইখন বিজনেছ কৰিলে মোৰ প্ৰফিট হৈছে, এইখন বিজনেছ কৰিলে মোৰ লছ হৈছে, তুমি একৰ্ডিংলি চেঞ্জ কৰি ল'ব পাৰা. চ' বিকজ ইউ আৰ ইয়'ৰ অ'ন মাষ্টাৰ. দিছ ইজ ইয়'ৰ ফাৰ্ষ্ট বেনিফিট. ছেকেণ্ড বেনিফিটছ কি আছে, কনফিডেঞ্চিয়েলিটি. কনফিডেঞ্চিয়েলিটি মানে কি, চিক্ৰেচি. বিজনেছৰ কিছুমান চিক্ৰেট থাকে ন, চব বিজনেছৰে কিছুমান চিক্ৰেট থাকে. চ' হিয়ৰ in sole proprietorship we can maintain secrecy, because চাবা তুমি যদি কোম্পানী ফৰ্ম অফ অৰ্গেনাইজেশ্যন যেতিয়া পঢ়িবা তুমি গম পাবা তোমালোকে companies they have to publish their accounts, they have to publish their reports, and these reports are available to general public. Anybody can go through a company's report. যিমান ডাঙৰ ডাঙৰ কোম্পানীজবোৰ তোমালোকে শুনিছা নহয় নাম, গুগল কোৱা or Samsung or whosoever, you can get their reports online about their accounts and their profits and losses. Everything is declared publicly. কিন্তু sole proprietorship হ'লে তুমি এইকেইটা কথা you don't have to share with anybody. So that is why you can maintain secrecy. So সেইটো কথা কৈছে, this is your next benefit. Then we have the benefit of direct incentive. Incentive means what? So a sole proprietorship is the তোমালোকে featuresত পঢ়িছিলা, the sole proprietorship is the sole recipient of all profits. So that is what it is. You don't have to share your profit. Whatever profits you earn, it is because of your hard work. So that is why this is another incentive. Meaning anything that encourages you or anything which is beneficial for you, that is your incentive. Okay, anything যেটো তোমাক লাভ দিছে, that is incentive. So সেইটো কৈছে sole proprietorship নিজৰ the need to share profits does not arise as he or she is the single owner. So this is another point. Next point, this is sense of accomplishment. So imagine you set up a business on your own. Okay, you're working for yourself. You're not working in a job where you have to take orders from anybody. It is your own business. So that itself gives you a lot of satisfaction. Plus, if this business becomes a big one, it becomes very successful, then also it brings you a lot of self-satisfaction. Okay, and it also brings confidence. You become very confident about your as a person. Because why? Accomplish মানে কি, লাইফত কিবা এচিভ কৰা. তো তুমি ভাবাচোন নিজে এটা বিজনেছ ষ্টাৰ্ট দিছিলা, সৰু সৰু হৈ যাওঁতে one day it became very big. Your product is on demand, চবে তোমাৰ প্ৰডাক্ট কিনিব বিচাৰে. So isn't it so satisfying compared to going and doing a job somewhere where you have to listen to people and you can't take your own decisions, right? Then কৈছে ease of formation and closure. So sole proprietorship কি কৈছে, it is very easy to form. বৰ বেছি formalities নাই. You don't need any license or lot of other things which you need for other forms. So there is no separate law. There is no separate law that governs sole proprietorship. It is the least regulated. There are not many rules and regulations as such. to govern or to guide sole proprietorship. সেইকাৰণে কৈছে that it is very easy to start and it is very easy to shut down. তোমাৰ যেতিয়া লাগিব যে নহয় you don't want to continue the business, you can easily shut it down. তো সেইটো কথা কৈছে ইয়াত. So these are the advantages or merits of what? Of your sole proprietorship form of business. Now we'll go to our next part. What is the next part? Disadvantages of sole proprietorship. Okay, disadvantages mean we are going to study the demerits. So merits hoy gol, we are going to study demerits or the negatives. What are the beya jitu tomar sole proprietorship or points ase, negative points, hegita am pohim. Okay, so here it is. The first limitations. Okay, demerits o kobo pari, limitations o kobo pari, disadvantage o kobo pari. So limited resource. So as you can see, তুমি অকলে বিজনেছ কৰিছা তো তোমাৰতো নিজৰ পাৰ্চনেল ছেভিংছ ইউজ কৰিব লাগিব. অলছ' ইট ইজ ভেৰি ডিফিকাল্ট টু গেট লোন ফ্ৰম বেংকৰ পৰা লোন ল'ব গ'লে বেংকে তোমাক চেক কৰিব দেট ইউ আৰ চ'ল প্ৰপাৰাইটাৰ, অ'কে নাও ইউ হেভ টু গিভ মি এ ছিকিউৰিটি টু টেক লোন. তো সেইকাৰণে কৈছে চ'ল প্ৰপাৰাইটাৰশ্বিপ হ'লে এইটো এটা প্ৰব্লেম. তোমাৰ পাৰ্চনেল ছেভিংছ বহুত ইউজ হ'ব, প্লাছ ইউ হেভ টু ব'ৰ', তুমি বহুত লোন ল'ব লগা হ'ব. দেট ইজ এনাডাৰ প্ৰব্লেম. দেন কৈছে লিমিটেড লাইফ অফ আ বিজনেছ কনচাৰ্ণ. লিমিটেড লাইফ কেনেকৈ? এটা মানুহে বিজনেছ ৰান কৰিছে ন, চ' দেট ইজ ৱাই it is very difficult, because what if that person dies or becomes mentally unsound or goes to jail or some disease happens, okay, then what will happen? The business will shut down, the business will close, because there is nobody else. Bele kune no sole proprietorship cholabo, sole mane one person only. So hetu eta problem. Next ki dise unlimited liability. Unlimited liability kotha ami features to pohisu. Unlimited liability means what? That means you have to use your personal assets also if you can't pay your loan through your business income. So if the business fails, the creditor can recover their dues not merely from the business assets but also from the personal assets. Okay, assets means সম্পত্তি, property. So he karone koise sole proprietorship is inclined to take less risk. Fine. So sole proprietorship or liability chances bahut besi ase, he karone people they don't prefer this form of business organization. Then limited managerial ability. Now you see, you are a person who is running a small boutique maybe. Okay, you are a designer. So to me ডিজাইন কৰিব জানা কাপোৰ, কিন্তু তুমি যদি চ'ল প্ৰপাৰাইটাৰশ্বিপ হোৱা তুমিতো অকল ডিজাইনিং জানিলে নহ'ব. ইউ হেভ টু বি গুড এট একাউণ্টিং, ইউ হেভ টু বি গুড এট মাৰ্কেটিং, ইউ হেভ টু বি গুড এট হায়াৰিং পিপল, ইউ হেভ টু কমপ্লাই উইথ এভৰিথিং. যিমান যিটো তোমাৰ কাষ্টমাৰ্ছো তোমাৰ আনিব লাগিব, ৰ মেটেৰিয়েলছ কিনিব লাগিব, এভৰিথিং তুমিয়ে কৰিব লগা হয়. বাট দেট ডাজন্ট মিন ইউ আৰ গুড এট এভৰিথিং. এটা মানুহে যে চব বস্তুতে ভাল হ'ব, নট নেচেচাৰী, ৰাইট? So decision making may not be balanced in all cases, and sole proprietorship may not be able to employ and retain talented employees. Or tumi to bahut expensive salary diu manu hire koribo nwariba, because you don't have enough resource. You have to do everything on your own, purchasing, selling, financing. So he karone kose in that case also sole proprietorship is not good, it has shortcomings. Fine. So with this we end the sole proprietorship part. Okay, one organization we are completing today, that is a sole proprietorship: features completed, advantages and limitations. For your clarity, I am showing you the definition of what is limited liability, because this is going to be repeated. Ami jiman etu chapters pohi thakim ei duta word ahiye thakibo. Limited liability mane ki? Where a business owner is liable, the business and the owner have separate identity. That মানে limited liability মানে কি? তুমি অকল নিজৰ business assets use কৰিবা to pay your debts. তোমাৰ debt যদি suppose 10 lakh rupees আছে and তোমাৰ business assets যদি 8 lakh rupees, তুমি 8 lakh rupees লৈকে pay কৰিবা, 2 lakhs you don't have to pay. That is your limited liability. কিন্তু যদি unlimited liability হয়, তোমাৰ loan, তোমাৰ debt কিমান? তোমাৰ debt হ'ল 10 lakh rupees আৰু তোমাৰ business assets কিমান? 8 lakh rupees. কিন্তু 2 lakh rupees তো এটা থাকি গৈছে, কিন্তু তুমি যদি sole proprietor হোৱা এই 2 লাখ ৰুপিজ তুমি তোমাৰ পাৰ্চনেল এছেটছৰ পৰা দিব লাগিব okay so that is why sole proprietorship is not favored this is the meaning of limited liability and unlimited liability I hope everything is clear here till here you understood whatever I explained and now we'll see what kind of businesses are there okay what kind of businesses are run by sole proprietors so here you can see in this first picture it is a fruit shop okay one person running a fruit shop this is basically a musical instrument shop okay here they are selling something fast food hetu karne here it is a barber so these are small businesses which are run by one person so these are the types of business also there are many businesses which you hear here today where they all started as a sole proprietor ekita business agote horu hora business e asil এইকেইটা যিমান companies তোমালোকে ইণ্ডিয়াৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত যদি ক'ব পাৰি like MDH Masale and all this they all started as sole proprietorship Coca-Cola started as a sole proprietor তাৰ পাছত গৈ সেইটো গৈ ইমান ডাঙৰ হৈ গ'ল আজি ডেটত দেন আৰু যিমান তোমালোকে বিজনেছ দেখিছা হালদিৰামছৰ কোৱা এইকেইটা সৰু সুৰা বিজনেছ আছিল নাও দে হেভ এক্সপাণ্ডেড এণ্ড হেভ বিকাম হিউজ বিজনেছ অৰ্গেনাইজেশ্যনছ ৰাইট so once they get popular they become huge and they all started but it's quite inspiring tumaloko kitabotu Coca-Cola example to dia ase boxot it is given here if you have the NCERT textbook you can read about that Coca-Cola business which was just see this is what it is given okay the how Coca-Cola started as a sole proprietor and then today you know where the brand lies so this is the story so it is in page number 30 of your NCERT textbook so okay students with this I end my video